back away here just a little bit and give you a better view of the whole machine. We run this warm-up mode about once a week when we don't have parts for it. Good enough. All right, we don't currently have a part for this machine, but we got what we call a warm-up mode, and it's to run all the axes and the bar feeders and the parts catchers, the turret 1 and 2, and all that. Kind of try to get a better view here inside there. It's not actually making a part right now. I'll show you what we got here on the screen. It's what we call the warm-up mode. We just don't have a part for this machine right now, and that's just all we can do for you. And it's the same as all the other ones. There's your parts catcher operation. Bar feeder, same as the rest of them.